Hi, this is your host once again bringing you greetings from our channel. Today we are going to share with you a very special recipe. These are collagen-boosting marshmallow treats for healthy skin. This is actually a no-bake recipe. It's very simple, very easy to make, and you don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. And the best part is it's absolutely delicious and very nutritious. It's actually a perfect snack for children and even adults. So let's get started. For the base, we will need 1 cup of pitted dates, 1 cup of organic lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar, and 1 to 4 teaspoons of organic vanilla powder. Let's blend all these ingredients in a blender and then pour it into a bowl. Next, we will add 1 cup of fresh aloe vera pulp. We will mash it well with the help of a potato masher and then add 1 to 2 cups of raw cashews. Now we will blend this mixture and then pour it over the base. Now let's prepare the topping. For that, we will need 1 cup of organic lemon juice, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of raw agave nectar, or you can use any sweetener of your choice. Blend all these ingredients and then pour it over the mixture. Now it's time to add some collagen-boosting ingredients. For that, we will add 1 tablespoon of organic bone broth powder and 1 tablespoon of organic collagen peptides. You can use any brand of your choice. And then add 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of organic cinnamon powder. Give it a good mix and then pour it over the lemon mixture. Now it's time to set the mold. For that, we will use a silicone mold. You can use any mold of your choice. Pour the mixture into the mold and then freeze it for at least 6 hours. Once it's frozen, take it out of the mold and cut it into pieces. And here you have your delicious collagen-boosting marshmallow treats ready to eat. Each one of these ingredients has its own unique benefits. Dates are rich in antioxidants, and they help in fighting free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and cause aging. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, and it helps in collagen synthesis. Apple cider vinegar is rich in amino acids, and it helps in maintaining the pH of the skin. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer, and it helps in hydrating the skin. Raw cashews are rich in antioxidants, and they protect the skin from sun damage. Bone broth powder is a great source of collagen, and it improves skin elasticity. Collagen peptides also improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and it reduces skin inflammation. Cinnamon powder protects the skin from UV damage, and it also has anti-aging properties. Agave nectar is a natural sweetener, and it adds a sweet taste to the marshmallow treats. So next time when you want a healthy snack, try out this recipe. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Once again, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fit.